It is so important to buy our food locally, not only because it tastes delicious, but because it helps the local economy and the environment. When you shop at a local farmer's market, you are getting foods at their seasonal best. From the minute you pick a peach or an apple or a tomato or a pepper, they start to break down. Buying them locally is going to ensure that you get them at the very peak of their flavor and nutrition. But you're also supporting farmers because they only get 10 to 20 cents on a dollar when they sell to a chain store. But when you buy it locally, that farmer is getting up to 90 cents on a dollar because there's no marketing, transport, or packaging. So you're really helping that farmer. For more information on your local farmers market, go to the NCBA Farmers Market website to find the one closest to you.